this for energy. Ta-da! Let me do a brand. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to have you here. You're gonna hear kids in the back. It's gonna sound like a daycare. It's kind of is, because we in their space, okay? So I like to try to give y'all an up-to-date agenda because we're in this together. So today here at the farmhouse, yesterday's episode, I ended it with showing y'all the finished chairs and table. Took me a total of 3 days, table 1 day, and then the chairs 2 days, technically 4 days because I'm back working on the table again. So I ran out of fabric on this chair here. And I also, you can see that, the back of that chair. So I went and got a half yard. You know what, let me see something, chair. Barely. It works though, okay, anyway. So we're gonna finish this chair back right here. And as I was reading the comments, I want to reiterate something because the comment came across. I know I mentioned it, but I just want to make sure we clear. So I told y'all in yesterday's video, I said, chalk paint for me. Let me just speak for me. Chalk paint is the way for furniture paint. It just is. From the way it's sprayed, the fact that there's very little prep work, and to me, you get more of a factorier finish and less clumpiness than you would get like if you use latex paint to paint furniture. It's just thicker, but chalk paint is, it spreads itself out. Chalk paint is self-leveling. I don't know if y'all knew that or not. It's self-leveling in the sense of when you brush it on, a little kind of goes a long way, right? So one of you guys asked me with chalk paint, do you have to seal it? Okay, now, one might say, use your better judgment, and depending on what it is you're painting, is it a dresser that, you know, nobody's gonna be touching? My thing with any type of paint is I feel like it needs something over it as a barrier to keep it from chipping, right? So there's several options, not several, but a few options with chalk paint, right? As far as a finish that you can use. One is wax. You could wax, they have a wax product that you can put on to whatever it is after you use the chalk paint. I'm a polyacrylic lover because it's water-based, and to me it's just an easier product to use, polyacrylic. You could also seal it with polyurethane, which is oil-based, water-based, oil-based, right? And if I mentioned it before, painting anything white and using a polyurethane, which is oil-based, will give it a yellowy hue, similar to the cabinetry that has turned yellow over time. So to answer that question, I would say, yes, seal it with something. Polyacrylic, polyurethane, or a wax specifically for chalk paint so that you just don't get chipping. Let me show you the difference in what I mean. Okay, so because I'm an overachiever in everything I do in life, I'm going to seal everything again, but this has not been sealed. I actually touched this chair up yesterday. So I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but this is with nothing but the chalk paint, right? And you see how like dry, flat it is? Now you come right here. This is with polyacrylic. Now you can wipe this off. You need to wipe it off. Whereas if you wipe this off, yeah, you can wipe it off, but over time, you're gonna be wiping this paint back off. So do you see the difference in the two? Literally. Without width. So yes, I would say seal the deal, okay? Seal the deal. So yes, go ahead and seal the paint. And again, you use whatever you're comfortable using. I just share with you guys what I like, what works for me. And chalk paint is just the answer. It just is. So on today's agenda, I want to finish this chair. I want to polyacrylic the table base again. I just did these chairs over here. All these chairs are done. And then I need to do this chair and the base. And then I want to go ahead and start painting the kitchen in the same color as the rest of the house and wiping down the cabinetry because it's kind of dirty over there from the dust and just, you know, needing to be cleaned. I want to do that. And I think that's probably all I'll even have time to do today. Painting this kitchen is going to literally take me no time.
Hey, hey, Used to never do what's best for me. I was such a hopeless fool. I just kept making the same mistakes, yeah. That was until I found you. You became the middle way between getting no love and getting way too much. I pray that you're the one who cares for me, cares enough to keep me safe. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw away the key. You stole my heart from me, 'cause it can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Habits can be hard to kill, but with you it can't be done. I don't wanna chase a thrill, no. I just wanna overcome. Feeling like I'm lost at sea when I'm getting no love or getting way too much. You see, you're the one I really need. Need you to be here for me. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw away the key. You stole my heart from me, 'cause it can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted. Be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called a cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough. ready to just let you go away, like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do.
You're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. I can feel the tension. Another bottle of this wine, I'll be up in your space, loving affection. Ain't got nothing on me, no, that's not what I need. Maybe on another day, I'd encourage you to make me stay, but baby, I'm just trying to numb my brain and wrap my head around this whole thing. When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep. So I pick up my clothes and be on my way. Leave you a note saying I can't stay. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. I think I learned my lesson. You can love somebody else until you're loving yourself. I need some direction before we dive into these sheets. Maybe on another day, I'd encourage you to make me stay, but baby, I'm just trying to numb my brain and wrap my head around this whole thing. When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep. So I pick up my clothes and be on my way. Leave you a note saying I can't stay. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep. So I pick up my clothes and be on my way. Leave you a note saying I can't stay. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep.
Yeah, I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep you? I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep you? 헤어지자고 아침부터 you've been going through my phone. 말해봐 내가 바보인 줄 알아 not alone. Yeah, you and I 날라가 cause we're flying for my brothers. 바보야 I got problems popping bottles. 소주 지하밤할 때까지 소주 내가 미안하다고 I'm sorry but my 말투 난 아직 생각나 그러지 마 꼭 돌아와 Don't you ever say goodbye 또 애태우는 내 맘 문자 보낼지 몰라 Think about you all the time Baby 아프지 마자 tonight 전화하고 싶은 나 I've been sipping on the rocks on the wine Let's just ride the life Yeah, yeah, I've been just picking up pieces of you Yeah, but how can I keep you? I've been just picking up pieces of you Think about how can I keep you? 서로 좋아하는데 왜 안 된 걸까? 벌써 1년 지났지만